All right, let's plug into the world of K-Tron. We're going to take a quick look at this brand that says it can solve all those little everyday tech frustrations with its lineup of essential accessories.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. Your phone charger just dies, or you desperately need a faster cable, like right now. Maybe your favorite earphones finally gave up. So with a million options out there, where do you even start looking for reliable tech gear?
Okay, so let's get into it. Let's introduce K-Tron and figure out who they are and, what they're all about.
So, just so you know where we're getting our info, this whole explainer is based on an official overview of K-Tron's products. That way we get a really solid look at what they offer.
So what is K-Tron? Well, at its heart, it's pretty much a one-stop shop for all those essential tech accessories you need. Instead of getting super specific, they're going for a really broad appeal. Covering the whole shebang from power and data all the way to audio.
All right, so let's break down what they actually sell. It really falls into three main areas: keeping you charged up, keeping you connected, and keeping you entertained.
Yep, their entire product line is built around these three things: charging devices, data cables, and audio gear. So let's dive in and take a closer look at each one.
Okay, first up, charging. Looks like K-Tron is tackling two common problems here. They've got fast chargers to get your battery back to full in a real hurry, and they've also got these compact travel chargers that are designed to be super convenient and reliable when you're on the go.
Next, let's talk data cables. We all hate waiting for files to transfer, right? Well, their focus seems to be on solving that exact pain point with high-speed transfers. Plus, they're aiming for broad compatibility, so you can connect all your different gadgets without a problem.
And last but not least, we've got audio. K-Tron offers both earphones and neckbands here. The whole idea seems to be finding that perfect sweet spot between two things, delivering really rich, high-quality sound, but also making sure they're comfortable enough that you can wear them for hours.
Okay, so we know what K-Tron sells, but how does the business actually work? In this next part, we'll look at their marketing and how you can actually get in touch with them.
Here's a kind of interesting little detail. K-Tron's marketing isn't actually handled in-house. It's managed by another company called Shriji Enterprises. So what that means is, if you're trying to connect about partnerships or marketing stuff, they're the people you'd need to talk to. And for anyone who needs to get in touch, they've made it pretty straightforward. They've got an email for general questions, a GSTIN number for any business-to-business stuff, and they even have a WhatsApp number. That kind of suggests they're all about direct, easy communication, which is pretty cool.
This quote really nails it. When you boil it all down, K-Tron's goal is to be that go-to, reliable brand for all the everyday tech gear that, let's face it, basically runs our digital lives.
So, to wrap this all up, let's go back to where we started. Thinking about their focus on charging, data, and audio, which of these K-Tron products do you think would solve your biggest tech headache? Something to think about.